Okay, we ended up with the step x of k as g of k plus w8 power k h of k. So where g of k is this term, it's a 4-point DFT of even indexed sequence of x of n, right? And where h of k is this 4-point DFT equation, and this 4-point DFT is for odd index sequence of x of n, right? This is for x o of n and this is for h e of n. For k is varying from 0 to 3, this equation is fine, g of k plus w8 power k h of k, right? But what about this equation? How did I end up with this equation? So basically DFT is a periodic sequence. DFT is a periodic sequence with fundamental period n. I repeat again, DFT is a periodic sequence with fundamental period capital N. So we can prove it in a simple step. So what is in the sense x of k is equal to, if I shift this signal right n times, right or left n times, k plus n, I get the same. What are you take a signal and if you shift it right by capital N times, you end up with the same signal, then it's obviously is a periodic signal, right? And this is the condition for a periodicity, correct? No? So x of k should be equal to x of k plus n, where n is the fundamental period. We'll try to prove it. So what is the formula for x of k? X of k is what? Summation n varying from 0 to n minus 1 x of n e power minus j 2 pi by n into k into n, right? What is x of k plus n now? X of n is this equation. X of k plus n is, I have to replace k by k plus n, right? So summation n varying from 0 to n minus 1 x of n e power minus j 2 pi by n into k plus n into n. So I am replacing k by k plus n. Now if I split this exponential, what do I get? Summation n varying from 0 to n minus 1 x of n e power minus j 2 pi by n into k into n into e power minus j 2 pi by n into n, right? So these two n cancels out, so I end up with e power minus j 2 pi, and this n is an integer, so e power minus j 2 pi into n integer is always 1, right? And what is this equation? It is nothing but x of k, correct? No? So x of k plus n is equal to x of k, which is nothing but condition for periodicity. So I can say that DFT equation is, it's a periodic sequence with fundamental period capital N. So that's the reason I wrote for k varying from 4 to 7. So g of k is equal to g of k, I can write it as g of k plus 4, and h of k I can write it as h of k plus 4, because these two are 4-point sequence. So fundamental period here is capital N, right? So sequences whatever I get for k varying from 0 to 3, I get the same sequence for k varying from 4 to 7. Now this is the first stage of decomposition. If I take this equation, so what is x of 0? If I put k equal to 0 for this, g of 0 plus w8 power 0 into h of 0, right? And what is x of 1? X of 1 is g of 1 plus w8 power 1 h of 1. What is x of 2? X of 2 is g of 2 plus w8 power 2 into h of 2. What is x of 3? G of 3 plus w8 power 3 h of 3. So this is for k varying from 0 to 3. Similarly, what about for k varying from 4 to 7? When I put k is equal to 4, x of 4 is equal to g of 4 plus 4, it is 8. So g of 8 is nothing but g of 0 itself, because it's a periodic signal. So g of 0 plus w8 power 4 into h of 0, right? When k is equal to 5, x of 5 is equal to x of 5 is equal to g of 5 plus 4 is 9. So g of 9 is nothing but g of 1, because it's a periodic signal. So g of 1 plus w8 power 5 into h of 1. When k is equal to 6, x of 6 is equal to g of 2 plus w8 power 6 into h of 2. When k is equal to 7, x of 7 is equal to g of 3 plus w8 power 7 into h of 3. Okay, now we shall write its flow diagram. So the flow diagram is nothing but, so how did we end up with this? So we have two 4-point DFTs. One is for all the, this is 4-point DFT, 4-point DFT, and this DFT is for all the what ordered sequence, all the even ordered sequence, even index sequence, right? So x of 0, x of 2, x of 4 and x of 6. And we have one more, we decomposed one more in, and we have one more 4-point DFT, and this DFT is for all the odd index sequence, right? And what are all the odd index sequence? It is x of 1, x of 3, x of 5 and x of 7. So let me just draw the lines, extend the lines. Okay, so what is the output of all the even index sequence? It is all the even index sequence is g of k, right? So it is nothing but what we get is g of 0, g of 1, g of 2 and g of 3, right? What about for all index sequence? All index sequence is for h of k. So this is nothing but output of this is h of 0, h of 1, h of 2 and h of 3. For k equal to 0, we have x of 0. We have x of 0. Now what is x of 0? G of 0 plus w8 power 0 into h of 0, right? So g of 0 is here and h of 0 is here. So g of 0 gets added with, g of 0 gets added with w8 power 0 times h of 0. I have h of 0 here. So let me just add it. So this arrow mark says that I am scaling it by a factor of w8 power 0. So I have h of 0 gets multiplied with w8 power 0 plus added with g of 0 ends up with x of 0, right? Similarly x of 1 is what? G of 1. So I have g of 1 here plus added with what? w8 power 1 times h of 1. I have h of 1 here. So h of 1 goes to g of 1 and h of 1 scaled with w8 power 1. Similarly x of and what is this? X of 1. Similarly x of 2, this is my x of 2 is what? G of 2. I have g of 2 here added with what? w8 power 2 h of 2. So this is h of 2 goes to g of 2 and before adding w8 power 2 is getting scaled. Similarly x of 3, what is x of 3? G of 3 plus w8 power 3 into h of 3. So I have g of 3. So w8 power 3 has to be scaled and added with g of 3, and what is the scaling factor here is w8 power 3. So w8 power 3, that will give me x of 3, right? Now what about x of 4? So this is my x of 4. X of 4 is what? G of 0. So I have g of 0 here plus the h of 0 is scaled by w8 power 4. So I have h of 0 here. So first what I'll do, I'll scale h of 0 with w8 power 4 is added with g of 0, that will go to x of 4. Okay, now x of 5. What is x of 5? G of 1, w8 power 5, h of 1. So I have g of 1 here, h of 1 scaled by w8 power 5. So this is my h of 1 which is scaled by w8 power 5, which is x of 5. Similarly x of 6 is g of 2. So I have g of 2 here, g of 2, and h of 2 is scaled by w8 power 6. h of 2 is scaled by w8 power 6, right, which is x of 6. What about x of 7? The last one, x of 7 is what? G of 3. So I have g of 3 here. So g of 3 here, and h of 3 is scaled by w8 power 7. h of 3 is scaled by w8 power 7. That will give me x of 7. So this is the first phase of decomposition. Okay. So let me just brush up what we did. So we are trying to develop 8-point DIT FFT algorithm. So decimation in time FFT algorithm. So since it's an 8-point, I have taken x of n with 8 time domain sequence with x of 0, x of 1, dot dot dot, x of 7. So what we did was we decomposed this x of n into even index sequence, odd index sequence of small letter n. So even index sequence is x of 0, 2, 4, 6, and odd index sequence is 1, 3, 4, 7. in terms of x, right? Now this is the DFT equation where k is varying from 0 to n minus 1, right? So what I did was, since n is varying from 0 to 7, I decomposed this equation into all the even index sequence and all the odd index sequence. So n is varying from 0 to n minus 2, 0 to x of 6, but x of 6 I can write it as n minus 2. So 0 to n minus 2, x of n e power minus j 2 pi by n into kn I have returned as it is, plus for this sequence summation n varying from 1, because this is 1, to 7, and 7 is n minus 1, and n takes only odd values, x of n into these two I returned as it is, and k is varying from 0 to n minus 1, right? So and after that what I did was, I replaced the summation for even index sequence, I replaced its n by 2r, and odd index sequence n I replaced it by 2r plus 1. Fine. If you do simplification, a little bit of mathematics you have to do, you end up with x of k as two 4-point DFT equations. This is 4-point DFT equation, this is 4-point DFT equation. So this equation for even index samples, and this equation is for odd index samples. Okay, so in short I will call this equation as g of k, and I will call this equation as h of k, where g of k is 4-point DFT of even index sequence, h of k is 4-point DFT of odd index sequence. And we have, I written the scaling factor w8 power k, and what is w8 power k? E power minus j 2 pi by n into k. So in short I can write it as w8 power k, right? So this is for k varying from 0 to 3. Why 0 to 3? Because these two are 4-point sequence, so it does not make sense I give 0, 1, 2, 3 dot 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 up to 7. Since it's a 4-point sequence, k only takes 4 points, which is 0, 1, 2, 3. But the question is, what about for other 4 point? Because we started with 8-point sequence, right? So other 4 point, what we are doing is we are exploiting the periodicity property of DFT, right? Which is what? X of k is equal to x of k plus n. So by exploiting this property, I can write for other values of k, which is 4 to 7. So g of k plus 4 and h of k plus 4, because the samples repeats after every fundamental period. Now I have given k varying from values for k 0, 1, 2, 3. This is what I get, and I have given values for k for the second equation for 4 to 7. This is what I got. So according to this, we got first phase of decimation, something, first phase of decomposition, something like this. Okay. So in the next video we are going to do the second phase of decomposition.